Hello, you're welcome to the Naija kitchen. We're making sausage rolls today. The ingredients displayed will be listed in the description box. Sifting the flour helps to make the dough fluffy. Add half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add salt to taste. Add less salt if you're using salted butter. Mix the dry ingredients. Break the butter and mix in. Add eggs and continue to mix. You can either use milk or water in this recipe. I'm using both. Continue to mix till your dough is soft but not sticky. Cover the dough with film and put in the fridge. I blended the beef with onion off camera. You can watch the meat pie video linked below to learn how. Heat some cooking oil in your pan on low heat. Stir fry the minced beef. Add seasoning and salt to taste. I added some cayenne pepper, but that's just my preference. Add flour to thicken the beef. It's time to roll our sausages. Cut out some dough, roll it flat and cut into a square or rectangular shape. Place the beef vertically on the longer end of the dough and roll. Brush egg wash on the edge of the roll to seal it. Cut the roll if necessary. Repeat the process till you have rolled all the dough. Remember to take a moment to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Brush egg wash over the top of the rolls for a polished finish. If you decide to try this recipe, please let me know how yours comes out in the comment section. This is such a tasty treat. Thanks for watching and for your support.